Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to answer and end phone calls in style with the Galaxy Z Flip series. Now, on really any other phone out there, you're able to have it answer automatically through Bluetooth. You can also answer it with the volume button, you can end it with the power button, or you'd be able to use the indicators on the screen. But one of the nice things with the flipping phones is that you're able to answer it by opening the device, and you can end the call by closing it. Now, some people watching this video may have never used a phone before that flipped, that you're able to do that, but when you are able to, it just brings a lot of power to the conversation, and it just brings a lot of just oomph to whatever just got done happening, good or bad. So really all you would have to do is head inside of your phone application. On the very top right hand side, go inside of those 3 dots, go inside of settings. Now through here, there's a bunch of things you can do, such as your call background, the call alerts and ringtone, but here's at answering and ending calls. When you tap on that option here, you can see that there's a few options to choose from, but when you have a flipping device, you can answer your call just by opening it up. And then when you close the phone, it's going to end. So basically, if somebody is calling you, you see it on your little cover screen. The moment you open it up, it will answer the call for you. Then when you're done, maybe it's a good or bad call, close it, and now you just ended the call. Again, it's a very powerful thing to do. Just the action of closing the phone, as somebody is finished with the phone call, you're driving, you're talking on the phone, and then you just close it down, you put it in your little cup holder. It's a very powerful thing, and you never really know exactly what anybody is talking about until you actually own the device and you turn on those settings. But I hope you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want.